How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veins to pop out of your arms, an intense tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise that we're going to do is curls. So 3, 8, 9, 10. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do overhead extensions. 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Try to get 20 reps. 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise gonna be arm circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 15. Try to get 20 reps. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 the other way. 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise that we're gonna do is go like this and then just flex. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. Okay, we're then going to do twists. 10, 11, 12, 20 reps. Quick little break. We're then going to do squeezes. So get your hand and then just squeeze really, really tight. Hold this for 20 seconds. So again, really, really squeeze as hard as you can. Squeeze as hard as you can. Perfect. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Perfect, you guys, perfect. Quick little break. We're then gonna finish with overhead extensions. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.